Page number 289, question number 12. From the following information of Sanket Sports Club for the year ending 31/3/2015, prepare an income expenditure account for the year ending on that date. Now, receipt payment is given. From receipt payment, we have to make income expenditure account. There's a printing mistake. Cancel income, write receipt, and cancel expense, write payments. Let's go through it. Now, subscription, subscription is our income. So write I, entrance fee income, annual function income, sale of scrap of old sports equipment income, sale of drama tickets income, salary expense, drama expense, general expense, audit fee expense, sports equipment asset, honorarium to secretary expense, stationery printing expense, annual function expense, bank interest expense, tournament expense, ground maintenance expense, repair expense. Now let's check the adjustment. Subscription includes subscription of 2000 for the year 2015 and 16. So take subscription. Subscription outstanding 3000 for the year 14 and 15. So once again take. General expense include prepaid insurance, take general expense. Salary outstanding 2000. Do you have salary over here? Yes. Take salary. Depreciation on sports equipment to be provided 3000. Separately we'll do it. Or you can take sports equipment. So we'll do it together. 50% entrance fee capitalized. Take entrance fee. And stationery stock is 200. So take printing and stationery. By stationery printing. Make the format for income expenditure account. Subscription. We start with subscription. There are adjustments in this. Buy subscriptions. 50,000. Inner column. Let's do the adjustment. Now we are in the year 14 and 15. Subscription includes subscription of 2000 for the year 15 and 16. What is this? Outstanding or advance? Advance. So we have to minus advance received in current year. Subscription outstanding for the year 14 and 15. Current year plus. $51,000. Entrance fee. By entrance fee. 4,000. 50% is to be capitalized. So minus 50% capitalized. 2,000. Where will this 2,000 go? Balance sheet capital fund. Annual income 10,000. Biannual income. Sale of scrap of old sports equipment. 2000. Donation for sports prize. So it's for specific purpose donation. So it will go to balance sheet. So we'll ignore it, cut it. Sale of drama tickets. Buy. Sale of drama tickets. 20,000. Salary is our expense. So to salary, amount is 24,000. Adjustment, salary outstanding 2,000 plus outstanding salary 26,000. Drama expense, to drama expense 10,000. General expense, inner column 6,000. There is an adjustment, prepaid 500, so minus prepaid 500, 5,500. Audit fee 2,000. Two audit fees 2,000. Sports equipment will not come, but depreciation will come. So depreciation on sports equipment 3,000. To depreciation on sports equipment 3,000. Honorarium to secretary 5,000. Stationery expense 4,000. Inner column. Stationery expense 4,000 में से क्या माइनस करेंगे? Stationery stock, so minus stationery stock 200, 3,800. सेकंड इफेक्ट कहाँ आएगा इसका? बैलेंस शीट असेट. When we'll do it. Then annual function expense 8,000. Bank interest expense 1,000. Tournament expense 5,000. Ground maintenance expense 6,000. Repairing expense 3,000. All adjustments done. Find out surplus or deficit. Okay, so what are we getting? Surplus? Yes. So 2, excess of income over expense. Surplus 6,700. What's the total? 85.